Hey guys, I'm just getting ready for the event and I don't really ever film get ready with me videos, so I thought I'm gonna do one, so here I am. Okay, so I'm gonna do my kind of classic eye makeup look. It's nothing super colorful or anything, just kind of nude colors. I'm gonna use the I'm a Woman palette by Ciare. I'll start with this shade. I'm gonna use the Beauty's brushes, obviously. Starting with crease blend brush. So I'm going in eye corner straight away. We're not going for any transition shades or anything like this. In eye corner and then just kind of blend it through the crease. That's it. For the outer corner, I'm just gonna use the shade using the same brush. So I'm kind of blending only at the outer corner, as you guys can see, and then taking this to the crease, like a little bit higher than the crease. Just what's left on the brush. That's it. Okay, next step, I'm gonna go for some shimmer. I'm gonna use this shade and just go in eye corner to the middle. With my finger first and then blend with the brush. And then blend slightly with the brush. Prior applying the eyeliner, I'm gonna apply a bit of a darker brown shade just on the outer corners. I'm gonna use the shade and the Precise Shadow Brush by Beauty. Just gonna go outer corners. That's it. Kind of buff this in. Now later when we're gonna apply the eyeliner, I'm gonna do once again the same thing. Kind of mergey eyeliner with eyeshadow, kind of blend two together. For the eyeliner, I'm just using NYX Lift and Snatch eyebrow pen. Hope you guys see what I'm doing. Done. Coming back to this darker brown shade, just a little bit on the brush. I'm gonna blend into this eyeliner that we just applied. So as you see, I'm kind of tapping this on into the eyeliner. And then what I do, I'm taking a fluffier brush, this one is crease blend, and just blending on. So eyeliner is kind of softer, and we already used the brown eyeliner rather than black. This is a trick I like to use it like very often. For mascara, I'm going with my current favorite Triple XXL mascara by Ciare. Okay, mascara is on. Let's do the lashes. By the way, my skin looks so glowy, right? I filmed prior this video the skincare routine that I currently do prior applying makeup, and you guys, my skin is glowing. So the video will be, because I filmed this like for a TikTok, so I'll try to post this on the YouTube as well as the YouTube shorts, so video might be already on. If not, I'm gonna link it in here somewhere in the comments below, in the description or something like this, so you can check that out, because I mean, you guys. Alright, lashes are on. I just went with the E1's Elsie by Lisa lashes. So I'm starting at the Ciare primer. This one is Hydrating Watermelon first. For the foundation, I'm using the Can't Stop One Step in the shade Medium Olive, and I just came back from baking and this shade seems to be the best for me so far. So what I'm gonna do first, I just learned actually this trick recently. I'm going on my face with my fingers first, and then I'm gonna blend up with the brush, and this just gives like flawless finish, you guys. So as you see, I'm kind of going on with the fingers. Fingers leaves like a strike. Like you can see, it's not blend properly and it's harder to blend with the fingers. but it kind of gives you that supernatural look. If you're looking for more coverage, then definitely don't do that. But what you guys can see is like it's not properly like in a real life. I'm not sure the camera shows you. It doesn't look super pretty, but I'm gonna take a brush now. I'm using the BU Beauty Flathead Foundation brush. So the dirtiest I used yesterday, as you can tell. And I'm gonna kinda buff this all in, and you'll just see how flawless it looks. Do you guys see? Let me just do my forehead because it looks different color now. But you guys see this? Do you see this? I need to bring to my neck as I can't ever tan my neck. Look, my shoulder's dark, everything's dark. My neck is always white. Like I can't ever tan it in the sun. I'm not talking about artificial tanning, self tanning or anything. But like in the sun, my face is just always white because it's in the shadow of my chin. So I need to bring this down. Which I don't ever do. Like I don't really ever put foundation on my neck, but in this case I have to because it looks funny. Can you guys see how flawless my foundation looks now? As you see, I'm literally pressing my foundation in the skin. I'm not like really buffing it or anything in because I already kind of did this with my fingers. So I have some foundation here. Maybe a bit more coverage. Let's just do that. Yeah, as you see, I'm kind of pressing it in rather than, you know, buffing it or anything. And it just looks flawless. So this is a technique I literally learned recently. I never done this before. I used to do on a hand, on a brush, and then do this. But I find this working better. Like way much better actually. Just gives this supernatural flawless finish. Concealer, so I'm gonna go on the eyes and the jawline and so on. First I'm gonna go once again with my fingers and then I'm gonna go and kind of press it in with a brush for the same effect. Now watch, I'm going once again with my fingers and later I'm gonna go with a brush. And this, my friends, will give like a flawless finish. First finger, later brush. I mean, make sure your hands are just washed. I'm in the bathroom. Sink is in there. I just washed my hands. My hands are definitely clean. But you get the idea, right? Once again, blend in with a brush. So as you see, I'm pressing it on. I'm not buffing, not doing anything like this. Because I want it to sit just in here, nowhere else. Okay, let's do the darker shade of the contour. I'm using C12 by Revolution. I think this might be too light now for me, but we'll see. I'm gonna take on my finger first. Yeah, this might be too light. Go some on my nose. Tap some on the top of my cheeks, on the top of my cheekbone. Temples. Jawline. Tap into a finger and then I'm gonna take a brush. Once again, exactly the same thing. Blending a brush. Okay, let's add a bit of a blush using the Dew Cheeks by Sierra and Pomegranate. Back to a brush. Once again, I'm pressing this in, not buffing, pressing it. Don't want my foundation to move when I pen like this. So to set this, I'm using IT Cosmetics Buyback Pores and a BU Beauty setting brush. Just gonna gently tap this in, mostly under the eyes. I'm gonna use the Revolution Pro Bronzing Contour Bronzer, Sculpting Bronzer, and the BU Beauty Contour Brush. I used it yesterday, hence it's dirty. a little bit of a blush using the Be Beauty blush brush for this. On the top of my cheeks. Highlighter, Be Beauty highlighter brush. Ooh, instant glow. Nose. Nice. Okay, a bit of a lippy, gonna do this combo. As you see, I'm just faking the freckles at the moment because I'm really into this. Just like I've been really liking the folks freckle look, so I'm doing this. Understand this is not for everyone. Probably the person who has real freckles in real life is like, why I hate mine. It's like, you know, when you have straight hair, you want a curly hair. You have curly hair, you want to, you know, straight hair, you have long hair, you want a short hair. That's the same. Yeah, freckles, you're covering up. You don't have freckles, you draw one. Same story, honey. Lower lash line, coming back to a precision brush. My face is still wet. Precision brush I used before. I'm going from up the corner, what's left on the brush. That's it. Now coming back to lift and snatch to inner corner quickly. Done. Mascara. Complete. Yeah, what you guys think of this super quick get ready with me makeup look? I think it turned out pretty nice. If you enjoyed watching this video, as always, don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more super important part. I feel like I'm saying this all the time just because it's so important. And yeah, I shall see you soon. Thank you so much for watching and bye. Have a fantastic day, guys. Ciao for now.